YouTube video. Like, it's hard shit, y'all. It's not a joke, but mine is that. I got all this for you guys. I got another wig. Aren't you guys excited? I'm gonna try another fabulous wig for you guys. And when I saw this wig, she looked bad in me. Like, I was like, nah, this is me. This is what I've been searching for. And when I put her on, you're gonna understand what I mean, because this is summer flex, y'all. Like, just wait, okay? So are you excited? Because I am. Oh, Villa collection? Villa. She is 2T Berry. That's the color, 2T Berry. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. And she is called Eva. Eva be bad in here. Oh God, y'all see this? I already showed it to you. See the colors? Y'all gonna stop this bitch. You gonna have to stop this bitch, because she gonna steal y'all mans. Okay? She gonna steal y'all mans. Okay? Okay. Good. If explain how bad Eva is. So you guys, okay, so she has that texture where it's like just that texture, guys. She real soft. Okay, so let's just cut to the chase. Ooh, okay, let me see this. She has only one clip, okay, and one in the back. Sorry, she has two clips. So one in here, one in the front, one in the back, and adjustable straps. Oh my God, I'm mad. She not that bad of a bitch. She not that bad of a bitch, y'all. She don't have a lace front. I'm mad. Y'all, I'm pissed. No lace. Eva ain't got no lace. So I guess she bad at night. And I'm joking. She'll be bad in the day too. But she ain't got no lace. So don't expect lace with her, sweeties. But we'll figure out. I want to try her on. So what we gonna do is try her on. Okay? Let's go. I told you she was bad. Was she bad? She bad. I'm gonna leave the link again. Like I said, I try all my wigs. If there is a link, because I bought this from the store, and I'm not gonna say what store because they not giving me moolah to promote their ass. Okay. I'm gonna go and fix my edges. I know you guys know how to fix edges. I don't need to be on here trying to fix my edges, and I don't like my videos to be that long. So if you don't know how to fix your edges, please look to somebody's tutorial and have them help you fix your edges. But as for me, but if you want to see me fix my edges, please let me know. You already know what to do. Comment below. Bam! 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 You see them edges? Okay, so right now, what you need to do, what I'm gonna do actually, I hope I can see this. I don't know how to do this, but I could concealer the you know, that line right there. I'm gonna conceal that part, you know. It's really hard to stay. Damn, y'all see this, baby? Come on now, y'all don't act random. This is so cute. Oh shit, there goes my earrings. Okay, well, we're gonna take both of them off then. So here it is. Go like this if you like you know, you want to be like cute and all. This is adorable. Like, this is summer flex. Like, I love the color, and the way it feels too, it feels like my own natural hair. That's how it feels. It doesn't feel synthetic, it just feels like your own natural hair. Let me show you guys the bag. Y'all love to see the bag. There you go. Bada. Boom! I love this, you guys. So it doesn't have lace front, and you gotta make your baby hair. So if you really wanted to lay down flat, just put Gots to Be spray in it and hold it down for 15 minutes or something, and you're out the door. Like, I'm set, I'm good to go. Like, where? Show me the door so I can leave the motherfucking house. This is it. And it looks fabulous. I think this could look elegant. It depends on how you want to go. You want to go ratchet, you want to go elegant. This wig will do just that. Look at this, you guys. Ooh, silky. Love it. I love it. I love this. Like, she feels so nice too. Like, it's not even say she feels bad. Like, she feels like my hair, like my natural hair. If I was to straighten it, that's how she feels. speaking on the color too, like feeling myself in purple right now. I usually like the light purple, but I could flex with this. I could flex with Eva. Eva could be my friend. Eva could be my friend. She could be that friend that I just call to and say, hey friend, let me borrow that wig. You know what I mean? I love it, and I hope you guys do too. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial of me flashing this wig for you guys. And if you could purple out together, me and you, friend. She bad, she hot. Eva just hot. Boy. Eva be taking mans out here. Watch out for your mans, bitches. Okay, Eva's out here to get them. Okay, she out to steal your mans, hide your mans under the couch, hide them under the bed. Because Eva's out. Eva coming out. She like this coming out. So, I'm gonna see you guys for the next what? Is it a tutorial? It ain't no goddamn tutorial. Me wearing wigs. So make sure you guys tune in, and again, subscribe over here, comment down below, and look at me over here. Bye.